Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a unboxing my digital camera. Here it goes. So yeah, my mother got me this. Yeah, and it's funny because I was going to get the same camera on TikTok back in the day, you feel me? Nah, but I was going to get this camera before, but baby, I guess I got like 3 cameras now. I don't use the other two really like that because I got so used to the Sony ZV-1 like on my phone, and it's just like, but I already opened it, but I'm gonna show y'all what it come with. So it come with the manual, all that good stuff. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I haven't used this mic in I don't know how long, but all right, we good. So it come with a charger, the C type, C cord. It comes with an extra battery. This one I have to put in. Come with 2 batteries altogether. Yeah. It comes with a lens, a wide, and a micro. So I didn't even know that, but you could separate it. And this is the micro, and then this is the wide lens. But I'm confused a little bit. I was watching reviews, by the way, but I'm a little confused because micro and then wide. I didn't know wide lens and micro go together. But the lady did say that you put them together, so I guess. And we're gonna take this piece off because it's time to put it together. Like, what are you talking about, bro? And then here's the camera. This is how it looks. My daughter's watching TV, so don't mind that. But I am gonna get a mic soon. I just don't have it yet. I mean, I have this one and this one, but I'm talking about the one that you put the thingy in here. What you call that? The wire. But let's take this off. With nails. Boom. Beautiful. And then it opens sideways. I am gonna be doing a review as well, like when I use it, and I'm gonna do a video and see if y'all see the difference. So that's how it opens. That's how the Sony one opens too. Then it has flash. I have to work with the settings. I still don't know how to use the settings yet because I just, I didn't even turn it on yet. I mean, I turned it on, but you get what I'm saying. Then it has the little buttons right here. Camera, photos, all that stuff. I think it's kind of like my other camera, the black one that I bought on TikTok, and it's 4K as well, so it's probably the same. But people do say that this one is a little better than that one. We're gonna have to see what it's giving. I have 1,000 tripods. I just picked out 2 for now to see how it looks, like which one I want to use. I do want to get a pink one in the future to match the camera. I want to get a lot of pink accessories for this camera. So yeah, either this one. This one is, I don't even remember. Oh, yeah, I don't remember. It probably done faded out. I had this thing so long. Then I have the Joby one. I like this one because it's like tall. It gives off like YouTuber, That's why I like it. That one is more a little like a chill type tripod. But yeah, this one, that's how that one looks. I don't know which one to use yet. But let's get straight to the camera and put this damn battery in. So boom. Which way do I put it in? Then it comes with an SD card. Some people said that theirs come with a 8 gig. Mine is a 64 gig, so that's good. If you ask me. Then there's a built-in mic. I heard it's not that good. That's why I want to wait to get my other camera. But I mean my other mic. But I am gonna try this one anyways, just to just to see. I would connect this one, but it's not the same. It's not the same plug-in. If that makes sense. So we're gonna turn it on. It says welcome. When I do start recording, I want to take that sound off because I don't like that. All these sounds I do not like. So it's on loop right now. Let me see video. No, this is lapse. I have to mess with the settings. Let's see. I have to focus on using the front as well. Like I get too used to looking at myself. And I want to see the difference. Like, let's take this off. This is cute. This is a plus for me. Like the fact that they added a extra lens to the camera, that's a plus for me because the black one I got don't have an extra lens. And I like wide angle lenses. This is 0.45x super wide angle lens with micro. So let's see. Oh, that's definitely, hell yeah. That's definitely, you can see the difference ASAP. So like without this, and I'm like this, technically if I want to see my whole like area, the whole background, I would have to be like this. Nobody wanna do that, you feel me? While they vlogging. So that's good that it came with the wide angle. I like that, I like that. Hello? So yeah, I'm using my phone right now. I'm gonna do a video anyways, recording the quality and stuff like that. But I do wanna fix that. So I think you have to go to menu. Only because I know how my other camera is. That's the only reason. Okay, so right now it's on 4K 30 FPS. Oh, I think that's the highest it goes. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. White balance, auto, filter none, exposure setting. What does that mean? I don't know if I should have put it on medium. I'll go back to it. Video quality, high, duh. And I did hear that when you put the video settings like high quality and all that and 4K, the battery does die fast, and it does make sense because my phone does that too. So ISO, I don't know what that is. Time watermark, yeah, take that off. I don't like that stuff. Record audio. All right, so that's that for now. Metering mode, I don't know what that means. Average center. I'm gonna have to look that up. Wi-Fi. Okay, so it's like my other camera. I like that. So once it sits still, it focuses on your face. Like when you're moving it around, it's gonna be blurry until it focuses on something. I like that. Okay. Yeah, it's just like the other camera that I have. And then it's saying reset Wi-Fi. Why? I'm not doing that. App user guide. Light source frequency. Uh, okay, I just put frequency. LED indicator. I think that's to show like if it's recording. I'm gonna leave that on. Button prompt. What does that mean? Oh, I guess this noise right here. Let me see. Yep. So you hear that noise? Turn off. I don't like that. On and off music. Close. English. Time format. Year, month, and date. Time set. Today's the 22nd. My birthday is on the 27th. Which I getting me. Factory reset. Okay. So that's pretty much all the settings. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah guys, this is how the camera is. I am gonna be doing a video just to see, I'm sure I'm gonna like it, but so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We're gonna give it a test run. Maybe my next video will be using this, so we're gonna see. But yeah, I still have to get the mic, and I do have to test with that mic, so we're gonna see. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.